How do we make the world's finest insulators? Insulator X answers with a full-line manufacturing flexion layout, taking insulators from traditional craft, cord, automation, standards, and traceability, breaking process silos and data islands, giving the line full sense, control, inspect, trace, capability, turning smart manufacturing into real productivity. Intelligent manufacturing is an extension of manufacturing. Raw material ratio, foaming enamel, glazing and firing control, deep integration of process and digital. Insulator X builds a complete line of self-actuation and intelligent inspection system. Exterior inspection, micro-defect capture, performance and strength testing, routine sampling, and precision testing of key indicators allow insulators to cope comfortably with complex operating environments. Build a factory-wide intelligent system, coordinate production rhythm from a holistic perspective, deep integration of production and testing. Gradually develop globally leading insulator intelligence capabilities. Truly unlock the operational closed loop of intelligent manufacturing. The global power market is full of opportunity and challenge. Insulator X builds a complete insulator line. From porcelain insulator, steered glass insulator, and then there is the composite insulator. Offer a comprehensive product matrix of various categories. From UHV power grids to rail transit, from new energy generation to industrial power distribution, from smart grid to wind power and photovoltaics. Provide a complete product matrix. From single customization to multi-specification, large-scale mass production. From internet order retail to mass delivery and collaboration for large projects. Provide full-cycle technical support. Backed by China's top insulator factory, Junyuan Electric shaped the new force of global insulation brands, building an open industry, academia, research platform. Joining partners to empower together and keep striving to create a new future for the electroceramics industry with partners worldwide. Making insulation more reliable, making power safer for all. Insulator X. Beyond insulation.